Welcome. Let us make this beautiful rose flower together. Today, we are creating a beautiful ribbon rose, and here is everything you will need. First, grab some satin ribbon. 2.5 centimeters is perfect, but any size or even scrap fabric works beautifully. Next, you will need glue sticks to secure your petals, sharp scissors, and a lighter to gently seal the edges from fraying. Finally, a tape measure and a pen to mark your measurements. Now that our materials are ready, let us begin. Before we start cutting, here is a golden rule to remember. The length of your ribbon or scrap fabric must always be 2 times its width, plus 1 centimeter. For example, my ribbon is 2.5 centimeters wide. So following the rule, we will cut each piece to exactly 6 centimeters long. This simple formula guarantees perfect petals every single time. To make sure our flower looks absolutely beautiful, we need the right amount of petals. Take your time to measure and cut exactly 12 pieces of ribbon. Consistency is key here, as these 12 perfect sections will create a full, gorgeous rose. Now that we have finished cutting our 12 pieces, it is time for the next step. Take your lighter and very carefully secure the edges of each ribbon. Gently run the flame along the cut sides to melt the threads and prevent fraying. Take your time with this step to keep it safe and neat. With our edges sealed, we are ready to shape our petals. Watch closely as we are going to fold the pieces just like this. Gently bring the corners down to create a clean, uniform shape. This elegant fold is what gives our rose its realistic texture. Now at this stage, we will use just a little bit of glue to fix the edge you folded. Gently apply the adhesive to secure the shape in place. Be careful with the warmth of the glue and hold it for just a moment until it sets perfectly. This stage truly needs patience, so please, no rushing. Take your time with each individual piece, repeating the fold and the glue carefully. Creating a beautiful rose is a peaceful process, and your patience will show in the final look. Next, we are going to separate our pieces into 2 distinct groups. Count out 5 pieces for one group and 7 pieces for the other. We will use the 5 pieces to create the outer base of our flower. Then, the 7 pieces will be used to form the beautiful inner blooms. Dividing them now makes the final assembly smooth and effortless. Now we begin joining our petals together. Use a small drop of glue to fix one piece, overlapping halfway above the other. Gently press them together so they secure firmly. We will continue this pattern layer by layer to build a seamless foundation for our rose. Now, let us shape the base of our flower. Bring the 2 outer ends together, joining the edges with a final touch of glue to create a beautiful, circle-like base. Gently hold it for a moment until it secures. This ring will perfectly hold the inner petals of our rose. Next, take the remaining 7 pieces. We are going to join them together, overlapping each one halfway, just like we did before. Keep your movements steady and relaxed. Once they are all connected, we will have the perfect inner layer ready for our rose. Now that our chain is ready, we are going to carefully fold it backward. Use small drops of glue along the bottom edge and roll to lock it in place. Watch closely and you will see the bloom start to show itself. Slowly, a gorgeous, realistic rose is coming to life right in your hands. For our final step, put a steady line of glue across the bottom edge of your blooms. Carefully insert it directly into its base, pressing gently to secure them together. Hold it for just a moment, and there we have it. Our complete ribbon rose flower is ready. Beautiful, elegant, and made entirely by you. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. You can even leave a comment below to share your beautiful creations. By doing this, you will have supported my channel a lot. Thank you so much in advance, and happy crafting. To give our rose a truly professional finish, cut a small piece of ribbon or fabric. Next, put a little bit of glue on both the bottom base of the flower and on the fabric piece. Attach them together smoothly. This clever trick covers all the raw edges, and your flower will look so much more satisfying.